Hello everyone, welcome to VZ English, where we make learning fun and easy. Today is lesson 1 of our basic writing series, and we're starting right at the beginning. What is writing? Writing is how we share ideas, stories, and information using words on paper or a screen. It's like speaking, but on paper. We use writing every day. Sending message, writing emails, taking notes, telling stories, sharing on social media. So, why is writing important? Writing helps you communicate clearly, remember information, express your thoughts and feelings, learn faster. Look at a few types of writing. Personal writing, write about yourself or your day. Academic writing, write for school or exam. Creative writing, write stories or poem. Formal writing, write emails or letter at work. Now it's your turn. Write 1 or 2 sentences about yourself. For examples, my name is Dara. I like reading book. Then share your sentence in the comment below. I will check it and give you feedback. If you learn something today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more lessons, and hit the bell icons so you never miss a lesson. Remember, writing is not difficult. It just takes practice. See you in lesson 2, where we'll talk about how to write simple sentences. Thank you for watching and happy writing.